Welcome to Central Truck Repair, where we keep America's trucks rolling. Our state-of-the-art facility in Springfield, Missouri is your one-stop shop for all truck and pickup repairs. We believe in clear communication. Our experts take the time to explain every repair, so you're always in the know. Our skilled technicians are committed to getting your vehicle back on the road safely and efficiently. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We keep you updated throughout the entire repair process. Trust Central Truck Repair for quality, reliability, and exceptional service. Contact us today to schedule your repair.